as you can see, we have black and black, so we will have a lot of fun today. Welcome to another one of my cosplay endeavors, for which I have neither the time nor the money or even like health. I don't know what I'm doing here, but a little bit over like 2 weeks or so, it is already Halloween. So it's the best time to jump on the Halloween train and do a Halloween themed video. Today we'll try to attempt Wednesday Addams. Let me just insert the reference picture here or here, maybe here. This seems like a good way to show it. Would Wednesday Addams ever wear a dress where there's like polka dots and decent gold thread inside there? I don't know. This fabric is, I don't know if you can see it, but it is pretty see-through. This is my hand there. It isn't shown that well. Oh yeah, you can see it. You can obviously see it. So underneath we will have another dress. And of course, if everything's gonna get pretty good and pretty finished, we're gonna do a pretty nice little color. You need this white color thingy here and the cuffs, the little cuffs here. My project for today: make the pattern, cut the pattern out. This will be the lining. We're gonna just start with it, and upon the lining we're gonna do this, and it will look great. You cannot see it because this is damn black. Maybe if nice thing. And I was gonna do this with a whole frigging dress. See you tomorrow, guys. Aha! Fits like a glove. Perfect. Oh, okay. It is once more almost 9 o'clock. I knew from the start that this would be a pretty ambitious project. Very ambitious. I am very pleased. I'm very pleased that I at least could finish yesterday the underneath dressy dress, which I slayed. I believe I slayed it very much. Yes, I did. But it was very naive of, no, it wasn't very naive of me. I knew that I wouldn't be finished in one day because I had other social engagements that were very important and still are very important. My project was, well, delayed once more. I still hope it will not be delayed like 6 months. I guess I will be finished with the whole thing that doesn't concern like the detailed stuff, like the major stuff. That's what we want to achieve today. We have like not even a few hours. I have also to sleep today. So you shouldn't drink coffee at 9 o'clock. But I want to get a heart attack, so let's go, I guess. Wow, okay. Okay, let's start the next part. The main dress. I had to search for the right words. Those are called darts. I have a few of them here. So before I'm sewing them with a sewing machine, I guess I will sew them by hand with this very brittle thread. You see that? With this very brittle thread, I will just sew the darts in. I will fit it on my body, and then we will see It's again the next day. I've sewn a little bit. I've sewn the darts. Let's attack the next fun thing. The zipper! I wanted to avoid the zipper, but I couldn't, it seems. So, it became annoyingly present that I have to press the seams, or else nothing's gonna work. Ooh, nice! Look at those crispy seams! They look so much better once they are actually ironed. Look at them. In reality, they look so much better. What is our next step? Well, the next step is, I am a lazy person, so what I want to do is make a fake button row. I've sewn, I've pressed, and what we're gonna do, we'll just sew on both parts. We just sew it on and it will look amazing. I have no time anymore, so what I'm gonna do now is I've sewn everything together, like the sides, the shoulder parts, and the only thing that is right now open is the zipper part and the two sleeves. I didn't sew them until now, but I will do that today, or at least I will pin them on. Go girl, go! Oh sheesh, that was too fast. So, good sirs and madams, we have sunlight, like daylight, for a change. This is something that we usually don't have in this household. We are so engulfed in so many things that we don't even have time for sunlight. What I did yesterday is I've made well, I didn't make anything actually. But what I did yesterday, I attached one of the sleeves upon this dress. This is the only thing that I managed to do, because I also discovered that I made the puffs, like, you know, those puffy sleeves that I have for my dress here. And this part is too long. This part here is too long, so I had to cut it. Yes, so what we're gonna do now is I'm just looking here and just eyeballing it, how much I took away from this part here, but I'm at the point where I didn't took away anything, so I'm just like cutting it away like so. Oh my gosh, those kids are loud! Kids, shut up. Let me just eyeball it like everything in my life. I'll just eyeball it from here to there. I'll just take it up and just sew some little squirrelies. Dang it, we did it. Perfect. That's all that we need. And the next step is like pin on those sleeves. Okay, what we're gonna do, we have here the opening for the sleeve and we have the sleeve here. So we'll put everything on there like that and just pin it on. And later on, sew it with our low quality thread. Okay, let's see where we are at right now. And then suddenly you're 14-year-old poorer. Okay, so much so for my rant about buttons. Another pin, put it away so you can't forget it. Where are we? We should probably just sew on those sleeves. We are at the part right now where I think about sewing on the zipper. I already pinned it in. The zipper isn't long enough. Of course it isn't. I know. I knew that the zipper is not long enough. So what I thought, we will just sew the zipper as it is right now, and then we have a little bit of a peekaboo moment at the back, like a little peekaboo moment. I just wanted to tell that this zipper foot is the best thing. If you don't know what a zipper foot is, that is the zipper foot. I love it. It just makes your life so much easier. Okay, my sweet angels, it's another day and another way to suffer, as always in life, isn't it? Because we are on a crunch, really, truly, we are at a crunch. I decided I should just use the color from my Chobits cosplay, and I found the same fabric from which I did this color, but suddenly this does look a little bit whitish-haired than the original. I have the color, and I have to make some, what is it called? I knew it like 2 seconds ago. 2 of those rectangles. What you're gonna do, you take that rectangle and flip it. Now you pin it! So, then you're just gonna sew. Finito. Ironed everything, now I have just to sew this thing and put some buttons up here. And then it's ready to wear. I found the rest of my dressish part that I cut off before, but now I will use it to make some, cuff-like things for my dress, just for my dress, because we make those cuffs on those cuffs separate. Those things will be separate so that I can use the dress, furthermore, for a different purpose. There you have it, some sleeves with cuffs on it. If you turn them around, like so, oh, look at this nice stuff, so cute. And just sew once or twice here and there. Okay, my guys, it's done. I'm through with life, actually. I hope tomorrow I could do a little cosplay photo shoot and some video clips for this video, and yeah, I'm done. We are in the midst of doing our Wednesday photo shoot. Simple one, nothing truly big. It's dark here, I need more light. I just have one light source, and we will do the best out of it, so stay tuned.
That's all, folks. I'm still hungry and sleepy and enraged, so I make it short. I hope you're one of those who enjoy boring things like sewing, and if not, I heard Mr. Beast made another video. So, you like this video? You like it? Subscribe if you must, and don't forget to ring the bell, or you will never see another video of mine. Thank you, algorithm. And of course, happy Halloween!